it's Justin and Bethany with the Flack Fam, and today we're going to visit what is probably our favorite resort. We know you've probably heard us call other resorts one of our new favorites, but if we're being completely honest, Wilderness Lodge is at the top of our list. It just feels like home.
It's true. Even though I laugh sometimes when people say things like, this resort feels like home, because who truly wants to stay at a resort that feels like their home? Don't get us wrong, we understand what people mean, because no one likes staying in a dirty hotel room with a horrible bed, a leaky toilet, and a shower that only sprays brown water. But we think there's more draw to stay somewhere that feels better than home, and that's how we feel about the new Copper Creek Villas at Wilderness Lodge.
In this video, we're going to be showing you our cabin at Wilderness Lodge. The cabins are located right on the water's edge, and to get to them from the lobby of the Wilderness Lodge, you walk out the back, through the gardens, past the pool and geyser, and then either head to the north or south ends of the resort. Our cabin was located on the south end, so we walked past Geyser Point Bar and Grill and the pool at Copper Creek, almost all the way to Fort Wilderness. Okay, not that far, and honestly, the walk is gorgeous, so it didn't matter how far it was.
There was a more direct way to our cabin if you parked in the DVC lot on the south side of the resort. The path from there takes you past the tennis courts and through a densely wooded area where you could find a lot of wildlife like rabbits, squirrels, birds, deer, and other animals.
Hi, super cute bunny. It is so yummy. It's so yummy. I have cute little ears and I'm soft.
Yes, the deer made us feel like we were playing Frogger because they would randomly jump out of the woods feet away from us on the path and out of sight again so fast that we weren't even sure it was really happening.
Like we mentioned, the cabins are placed right on the edge of the water, and in order to distract you from your neighbors, the foliage is pretty thick surrounding each cabin. When you enter the cabin, you'll be looking straight down the hallway that leads into the living room and kitchen, but that's not what I saw when I walked in. I looked straight past it all at the view of Bay Lake out the window.
As you make your way down the hall, you'll find yourself in the main bedroom. It has a king bed and plenty of storage for everything you brought with you and all the things you bought on your trip. The bathroom is very spacious and has 2 sinks, a TV in the mirror, a huge shower, and jetted tub. Another nice feature in this room is that it has its own door out onto the patio, which we'll talk about a little later.
The second bedroom has a queen bed and a pull-down twin bed under the TV, a large closet, and a sitting area in the window which looks out the front of the cabin.
Further down the hall, you'll find the other bathroom, which is separated into 2 rooms, one with a toilet and sink, and another with a tub shower and sink. You'll also find the washer and dryer and a linen closet.
I actually really like the location of this washer and dryer because it dampened the sound throughout the rest of the cabin.
That's true. I hadn't thought about that, but you're right.
When you enter the living/dining/kitchen, the first thing you're going to notice is that it's all windows with gorgeous views of the lake. The living room is very comfortable with a large TV and fireplace that can also be enjoyed out on the patio, and plenty of seating that also converts to beds.
The kitchen and dining areas are amazing, and I wish that we had been traveling with family or friends so we could take advantage of this kitchen and the space that we had to entertain guests. It has everything you've come to expect from a DVC villa: an oven, stove, microwave, refrigerator, cookware, plates, bowls, utensils, glassware, coffee maker. I'm sure we're missing something, but trust us, it's all there.
If you head out onto the screen-enclosed patio, you'll find our family's favorite feature of this cabin. No, not the picnic table, although that was a nice touch. It was the private hot tub. This was the perfect location to warm up on a cool December evening and watch the sun go down over Bay Lake. We even got to enjoy the electrical water pageant from that hot tub. We really enjoyed being able to end our long day relaxing here and being able to talk about what we did while we were serenaded by the frog songs. Some of those frogs and their lizard friends even came to join us out there on the patio.
Yes, they did, and that was one reason I was hesitant to say this next part. But as I thought about it, I couldn't leave it out. It was really nice to be able to put the kids to bed and enjoy the hot tub without them. Don't tell them we said that. It was nice because we had a direct entrance into our bedroom. We didn't have to worry about waking them up when we came in. You just had to step carefully as you walked so you didn't scare or worse, step on one of those cute frogs.
We know the cabins, like the cabanas at the Polynesian, aren't always practical and in many cases are just out of reach. We were very fortunate to be able to have enough points saved up to stay here. Even though staying here set a very high bar, and we will definitely try to stay here as much as we can, we wouldn't hesitate staying in any other room type at this resort.
It's true, this entire resort is relaxing and really transports you away from the crowds that you've been dodging all day.
There's our cabin.
We hope you enjoyed seeing our experience at the Copper Creek Cabins at Wilderness Lodge as much as we enjoyed reminiscing about it. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can come back and see us again soon.
Bye!